So hey guys, what's up? So welcome to World News 20 new channel. So let's talk about what coronavirus copy machine look like. Once the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 invades a human cell, the crucial next stage is the replication. When it creates copies after copies of itself, for which the virus uses its copy machine, which is an enzyme with this function. Trials with various drugs are targeting various stages of virus activity, and some of them, notably remdesivir, seek to inhibit specifically the enzyme that multiplies the genetic material of the virus. Now, researchers have reported that they have determined the 3D structure of this copy machine. This makes it possible to investigate how drugs such as remdesivir work. They note how it works. The first stage of the infection is the virus entering the human cell. On the surface of the virus is a spike-shaped protein, the so-called corona, which binds itself to a human cell enzyme ACE2. The virus then acidifies compartments on the cell surface, enters and then begins to replicate using the body's own mechanism. SARS-CoV-2 is made up of a single strand of RNA, which is what is copied and reoccupied. Enzymes that enable the creation of the RNA or DNA are called polymerases. In the case of the SARS-CoV-2, the polymerase is called RDRP, also named as NCP12. It is the polymerase whose structure researchers have now described. What is new? The 3D structures have been determined by the researchers at the Max Planck Institute in Germany, led by the director Patrick Remer. The institute said in a statement they constituted their polymerase in the 3 purified proteins. Once it was functional in the test tube, they examined the samples under an electron microscope, magnified more than 1 lakh times. One sample looked different, somehow strange. Our first thought was to discard it. Fortunately, we did not. This sample overall provided us with the high quality data we needed. Researcher Dmitry Tikhonov said in the statement the team supported that in overall architecture, the SARS-CoV-2 copy machine is similar to that of SARS-CoV. The coronavirus responsible for the SARS. However, they also noted distinguishing features. One of these is an additional element in the SARS-CoV-2 polymerase, with which it binds the RNA until it has copied the genetic material. We were surprised to find that the structure of the coronavirus polymerase especially differs from other structures that we have been investigating so far. Researcher Hawk Helen said white matter. The researcher rapidly referred to the remdesivir, which work by blocking the polymerase. The description of the 3D structure comes and mixed signals from studies on the remdesivir. While some trials have found the results encouraging, a study published in The Lancet this week has reported the clinical benefits from administering remdesivir were not found to be statistically significant. Knowledge of the architecture of the polymerase on an atomic scale is important. Nevertheless, as it opens up new avenues to understand and combat the virus, the team plans to investigate how antiviral substances block the proliferation of the coronavirus. With the structure at hand, it might be possible to optimize existing substances such as remdesivir and to improve the effect. But we also want to search for new substances that are able to stop the virus proliferation, said Kramer, the Max Planck director. So if you like the channel, so kindly subscribe to it.